Cooking with Charlie.
My name is Charles Bailey. Today we are going to be making barbecue chicken. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And please subscribe to my channel. We have bacon, black pepper, applewood rub, and barbecue sauce. And we have chicken. And the plastic bag here, this, we're going to put the chicken in. So you don't want to get your sink all dirty and nasty. You always got to wash your hands with soap after you touch the chicken. We're going to season the chicken with a little bit of bacon. So your chicken will taste yummy and delicious. We're adding black pepper. Let's see if I can get this open. Now the applewood rub. That is a barbecue rub. And if you want, this is the optional. You can add barbecue sauce if you like it or not. I'm gonna shake it up. Since I got it all shaken up, I'm gonna put it in the pan. I'm gonna put it in the oven. I got it on 350. Let it cook for at least probably about 2 hours until it's ready. This is the final results of the chicken.